हेलो एंड वेलकम टू धन। आज की वीडियो में हम प्लेज मैकेनिज्म डिस्कस करेंगे। नाउ से आप एक करेंसी या कमोडिटी ट्रेडर है एंड यू स्पॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द मार्केट बट यू डोंट हैव द फंड्स रिक्वायर्ड टू प्लेस दैट ट्रेड। इस सिनेरियो में आप क्या करेंगे? इन केस यू हैव एन एग्जिस्टिंग पोर्टफोलियो, आप उस पोर्टफोलियो को प्लेज कर उसके मार्जिन बेनिफिट्स यूज कर सकते हैं ट्रेडिंग में। धन पर आपका पोर्टफोलियो प्लेज करने पर आपको काफी बेनिफिट्स मिल सकते हैं। One is that pledging on Dhan is instant. That is, within 15 minutes of placing your pledge request, you will receive the benefits in your Dhan account, and this remains constant for unpledging as well. Second, that the pledge benefit that you get from pledging your existing portfolio can be used across all segments. चाहे वो currency segment हो, commodity segment हो, equity segment हो, you can use the benefits that you get from pledging your existing portfolio across all these segments. Third, and very important, pledge benefits can be used for option buying as well as selling on Dhan. Fourth, and this is only on Dhan, that you can discover the high margin script and buy and pledge these holdings to get higher margin benefits. Fifth is that when you're trying to sell a pledged share, there is no need to separately unpledge these shares. You can simply sell these shares and unpledging will happen at the back end. Now to discuss how unpledging on Dhan exactly work. Now to access pledge, you will go to your money page and over there you will see a section which says get instant margin benefit of X rupees. You will tap on that section. यहाँ पर आपको एक quick introduction दिखेगा on the benefits of pledging your shares on Dhan और आपको दो options दिखेंगे. One is that you will be able to discover high margin scripts on Dhan, or second, that you will be able to pledge your existing stocks which are already in your portfolio. Now here, if you tap on discover cash equivalent scripts, you will be able to see a list of all the cash equivalent and non-cash stocks that you can buy and pledge, and these are the ones that provide you high margins. In the cash equivalent segment, you will be able to see a list of 20 stocks that will give you more than 90% margin benefits. These can also be filtered by the type of instrument that they are, whether it is SGB, GSEC or liquid ETF. Now coming to non-cash, here again you will be able to see a list of 20 top scripts that will be providing you more than 80% margin benefits. Now in both of these sections, you can either choose to add these scripts to a basket and then execute these trades, or with this instant buy button, in a single tap you can buy these scripts. Now coming to pledging your existing holdings. अगर आपका पोर्टफोलियो ऑलरेडी धन पर है तो इस सेक्शन में आपको सारे शेयर्स जो आपके पोर्टफोलियो में है वो दिखाई देंगे और उसके अगेंस्ट आप देख सकेंगे कि आपको उस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट में कितना मार्जिन मिलेगा। यहाँ पर भी एक फिल्ट्रेशन रहेगा जिससे वेरी क्विकली आप अपने स्क्रिप्ट्स को बाइफिकेट कर सकते हैं बेसिस वेदर दे विल प्रोवाइड यू 90% बेनिफिट, 80% बेनिफिट, 70% बेनिफिट और एनीथिंग लोअर देन दैट। So here you can also toggle on the basis of whether you would like to see these scripts basis the margins or the haircuts that you will get on these scripts. यहाँ पर आपके स्पेसिफिक स्क्रिप्ट्स जिन्हें आपको प्लेज करना है वो चूज कर सकते हैं या फिर you can in a single tap select all your holdings and pledge them within a single tap. Now please remember, stocks can be pledged only between 9 AM and 9 PM on trading days. Pledge करने के बाद pledge section में आपको आपके सारे pledge scripts दिखाई देंगे। वहाँ पर आप select कर किसी भी script को instantly unpledge भी कर सकते हैं। पर याद रहे, stocks unpledge करने का टाइम 9 AM से 3 PM के बीच में है। My request section में आप आपके सारे pledge request till date track कर सकते हैं with the status on whether they were successful or failed or in progress. So this is how pledge on Dhan works. Please pledge your shares and let us know in the comment section below whether you enjoyed it. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.